GH Dog TV, your number one TV for all dog lovers.
Amidowo Abiodun Emmanuel, the best possible walking dog trainer. Keep watching GH Dog TV. Thank you.
You're on GH Dog TV, your number one dog TV for all dog lovers, and my name is Solo1. You can call me the dog blogger. If this is your first time of watching a video on this channel, you kindly subscribe to our channel and then you hit on the bell icon to always be updated whenever we drop yet another exclusive and amazing dog content. Today the location is Koforidua. Yes, we are at Koforidua in the Easstern Region of Ghana, and my current location is the Jackson Park inside Koforidua. Today we are here to cover the Easstern Dog Walk. Trust me, there are lots of dog lovers, dog breeders right here with their beautiful dogs. So we are going to take coverage of them. We are going to get up close with some of these dog lovers, dog owners, dog breeders, and trust me, today's edition is going to be wow. And in case you haven't followed us on all of our social media handles here, you can go on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at GH Dog Blogger and log on to our official website at www.ghdogblogger.com. Don't go anywhere. We are bringing to you more updates on the Easstern Dog Walk. My name is Solo1. You can call me the dog blogger. Okay, dog lovers, so we are here at the Eastern Dog Walk, and trust me, the scenes are beautiful. There are beautiful dogs right here, and I'm here with this fine gentleman. Boss, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Boss, I'd like you to introduce yourself to my lovely viewers.
Okay, I'm Francis Opokwasa. You can call me DJ Viper.
Okay.
Or Audu Bonga want some Puto Argan Wurigan.
Nice one. You're a DJ?
Yeah.
Okay, at which station in Koforidua?
ABN, Angel Broadcasting Network, Taste FM 90.9.
Okay. Nice one, DJ. DJ, let me ask you about this dog you're holding right here. What's the name of this dog?
The boy.
Okay, why do you call him the boy?
Actually, I don't know. It's not for me.
Okay.
It's for Hawaiian Canal.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're repping. Yeah. Okay, nice. So how do you see today's dog walk?
Oh, very nice, and I'm so excited.
Okay.
This is my first time. Wow. I'm holding a dog.
Wow.
In fact, me, I fear dogs.
Okay.
But today I'm very excited to be part of this show.
So most definitely, you're going to buy a dog.
Serious. I'll buy a small one before, because I fear dogs.
Yeah,
I fear dogs, but today I'm holding the boy, so I'm cool.
Nice. So you're right here with the boy. So do you think events like this should be happening in Koforidua?
Serious. Because this is my first time seeing this. So I've told Hawaiian Kennels that we should do this one annually. Yeah. Every year we should do it. Yeah.
Because the response from the market women, the people around, they all love the scene.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and everybody is happy to see this dog around. Yeah.
Okay. Since DJ, you're here with me, and you're somebody who fears dog, but today you are here with the boy. Can you tell my lovely viewers, maybe there's somebody who's watching who is afraid of dogs? What message can you have for that person?
Oh, don't fear dogs. It's cool. Me, since I was born, I fear every animal. I fear every animal. Cat, dog, even ant. I do fear. But today I'm holding the boy, so I'm cool. So you have to get a dog. If you are watching us live, you have to get a dog. It's nice. Yeah.
Nice one, lovely viewers. I'm right here with DJ
Viper.
Nice one, DJ Viper right here. Boss, thanks for having you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we are done with the dog walk and we are back at the Jackson's Park. So we're going to get up close with some of the dog owners right here. Boss, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
I'd like you to introduce yourself to my lovely viewers.
Well, I'm DSP appeal to Godfred Amponsan, Ghana Prisons.
Okay. Nice one. You're repping the Easstern Dog Walk.
Yeah.
Are you part of the organizers or?
No, I'm a breeder. I just started.
You just started breeding. Wow. This is beautiful. And you're having this beautiful dog right here. Can you tell us something about this dog?
This is a poodle. It's 3 months old and it's Tina, female. Yeah.
Tina, female. Wow, beautiful. So how do you see today's dog walk?
Oh, it's been fantastic. You see, most of us we don't walk our dogs. You could see from the walk, most of the dogs were tired. Some of the dogs are obese, so walking them is a very good thing to do. Yeah.
So you think it's an event that should be going on over and over?
It should come on at least twice a year. Will be okay. Yeah.
So is this your first time at a dog walk?
Yeah, this is my first time.
I'm sure you really loved everything.
Really. Even meeting new dogs, and I didn't even know there were so many dogs in Cove Town. Yeah. And I've met a lot of breeders too who would be sharing ideas as to me going into it now. Yeah.
Nice one. Thanks for having me on the show, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I'm right here with the boss man. If you've been following GH Dog TV, I'm sure you probably know this face. Most definitely, yes. He's a Sonaba and he's popularly known as Ghana Lucifer. He's an actor, he's a comedian, he shoots a lot of skits. Boss, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
I think it's great having you on the show again.
Yeah. Thanks for coming too. Thanks for showing up.
Nice. So how has everything been?
I would say it's perfect. It's our first time organizing something like this, and then I know it's good, and hopefully next year it will be far better than this, and we will improve.
I think Koforidua is doing massive. Koforidua is doing beautiful.
Yeah. We are trying to.
This being the first time you're organizing something like this, and seeing the dogs. I think there were over 20 dogs.
Yes, more than 20 dogs, and that came here, and then. We know most of the breeders or dog lovers didn't show up because the information didn't reach them. And then hopefully next year the organizers are doing our best, and next year I think the turnout will be far better.
Yeah. And it's beautiful. So now let's talk about this beautiful dog you have. I don't think I've met this dog before. But then before, you're wearing this t-shirt. Lovely viewers, check out his t-shirt. It's written King Koso.
Honestly, I have many dogs, different breeds of dogs, and then King Kuzo is my favorite dog. And as a result of that, I decided to import a t-shirt from outside just to suit the dog that I'm much interested.
I think you have a Boabu and the other dogs, but then
I have Alibi, Caucasians, and others, many more. I have about 14, 15 dogs, but King Kuzo is my favorite dog.
Wow.
That's why I purposely wore this top to suit what I'm handling.
So you're repping the King Kuzo, you're right here.
Exactly. Yeah.
You're right here with this beautiful. Yeah. Can we talk about this dog?
This dog is from Serbia. I bought it from a friend, and then I think it's a female, very good, very gentle, calm, and then we are here to expect a litter from this female dog. Yes, she's very huge.
What's the name of her?
Her name is Ella.
Ella. Lovely viewers, check out beautiful Ella. Now, Sonaba, before I move to another person, I'd like you to say your final words to anybody who is watching.
Yeah, I would say everybody should try his or her best to get a dog. Especially when you have a dog, you are more likely to increase your lifespan, and then we should also show love towards dogs. And then those who are in Koforidua, who are dog lovers, we are expecting them to show up next year too, as they did today. Yeah.
Please, my name is Mr. Albert Abeto Kennel, Koforidua. Yeah.
Abeto Kennel, you're a dog breeder?
Yeah, dog breeder.
And this is your son?
My son.
Okay. I think I saw him in the walk holding this beautiful dog.
Yeah, I want to introduce him to a dog breeding. Yeah.
At this young age, you want to make him love the dog?
Love the dog. He still love the dog. Yeah.
So he's developed the passion.
I want him to develop it more than me. Okay. He will be more than me in breeding.
Nice one. So what breeds of dogs are you into?
I have poodles and boabus and French mastiff.
That's nice. That's beautiful. So how is the dog industry in Koforidua like?
Oh, it's slow, but we are making it. We are making it big. by the next 2021, we go bigger than Accra. Seriously.
Sending a message out there to the people in Accra.
Must say, Koforidua is going to be big and pedigree dogs, not mixed dogs. No kunkulele. Yeah. By next year, Koforidua is going to be big.
I can see that the dog love is here, and this being the first time you're organizing something like that.
This is first time.
The numbers is impressive. I think more than 20 dogs.
No, I think by next year they will come. There will be more than this.
Nice one. So do you think there should be more of such dog walks and dog shows happening here?
Should be continuously, not only just once. We are program things around. Let's say by next year 6 March, maybe if God permit us, it will come on again.
Nice one. That would be so massive. So can we talk about this beautiful dog right here?
Yeah. This is Janet. Yeah, Janet. Janet, yeah. Podo.
Wow. How old is Janet?
Janet is 2 years, 6 months.
2 years, 6 months.
Janet is 2 years.
I have a special thing for toy dogs. I think I'm falling in love with Janet.
And he's so aggressive. More than any other toy dogs. Yeah.
Nice one. I say.
I name her. It's okay. Yeah, it's roadside.
You want to say ex?
One of my ex.
So you named the dog after?
Yeah, I named my dog one of my ex. Unfortunately,
Why?
I lost her. Yeah, that's why I named her Janet. Yeah.
May she rest in peace.
I am Daniel. Yeah, and this is my dog, Shaq.
Your name is Shaq?
Yeah, we are from Atichem. Yeah. So we just came for the show, but unfortunately when we came, they have already left, so we had to wait behind so that they'll come and then examine. Yeah.
I think there's some sort of vet thing examination going on. Okay. So you couldn't partake in the dog walk, but I'm sure you love the scenes with some of the dogs, right?
Yeah. As for the scenes right now, even some of the dogs, even when I see them, I say, wow, this kind of dogs there. Even this is my small boy. That's my small boy, no feet too.
See, so you think there should be more of such dog walks and dog shows happening?
Yeah. Actually, if they entertain this kind of things, to really help these dogs, because some of these dogs they need some small examination and to check how they are doing and all. At least once a while.
Sure. I love the way your dog keeps trying to jump on you and stuff like.
He's very friendly. Yeah, he's very friendly. Actually, he's very friendly. Just when we came here, actually, like I don't know how things are going, but when we are at home, he's very friendly. Yeah, but today they check like you don't want to come near people. I don't know why, but today they.
I think the bond between you and him is beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice one, bro. Thanks for having you on the show.
Yeah, thank you.